cutes, let's make a cute frog together. We will draw this cute frog. Draw 2 small circles. This will be eyes of the frog. You can connect these 2 circles. This will be like a glasses. Draw oval shape to draw face. You can start from left circle as I am doing and finish the same, which connects to right eyes. To draw hands, start it from face and draw a slight curved line as I did. Draw fingers for both hand and complete the hand. Repeat the same for other hand as well. Draw fingers and complete the second hand. Draw tummy by connecting both hands with a light curved line. Draw leg. You can start first left side as I am doing here. Repeat the same here to draw right leg. Draw toes. You can draw along 3 fingers as I did here. Repeat the same to draw right toe. Draw a big smile to draw face. Draw nose. Draw small circle in eyes and fill with black color to complete the left eye. Repeat the same in right side to draw right eye as well. You draw a frog. Let's do coloring. You can choose green color. Careful while coloring near eye. You can color whole body here with green. Congratulations! You draw and color frog successfully. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.